Hello ladies and gentlemen, and today we have this beautiful Orient watch FAG00003W0, and we're gonna just do a little unboxing and see how that looks. Obviously the first thing you'll notice when you open it, it's how beautiful this box is, the presentation box. It's made of plastic that is covered in leather, so there is strong material here, and this is a shiny, beautiful aluminium, and it shines as you tilt it left and right. So beautiful presentation and very light. You would think that it's going to be a little bit heavier, but it's very light watch. You open it and you're presented with this beauty. So beautiful, so beautiful. It's an Orient, in case you didn't notice. It comes in this beautiful padded pillow, if you may, and you just remove it from its packaging as such, and you will notice immediately this beautiful movement and beautiful colors and dials. Look at the heart beating, so beautiful. And the first thing you notice that it's quite slim. It's not as thick as it looks in the photos. It's actually quite slim. So if I put it on my hand here, so beautiful. I wish I had one of those gloves that people wear for professional presentations. You don't want to see my hairy hands, but here it is on my left wrist, and I'll show you now on my right wrist. Sorry, the opposite, my left wrist. I'm a left-handed, so everything I get it wrong. So beautiful to look at, so beautiful. It feels premium, and it looks like it's been worn before. I don't know why, but it just feels like it's got this feel, an old feel. It's like you've taken it straight from a charity shop. So you remove that. You remove that covering from the back, and you leave it for just in case you want to pass on this watch or sell it. There is a small foliage that you have to remove somehow. Oh yeah, here we go. We removed the foliage. Beautiful. I'm trying to keep this very elegant without having to say too much words. I will present my scissors towards the tag. I will present it and then make a small cut, and here it is, the Orient. Put it back in its box, and we have a fully functioning watch. Now the way you want to adjust this lorograph is you have to pull this out as such. It's not pulling. Oh yeah, here we go. And now obviously you've hacked it. The seconds are not moving anymore. Seconds have been hacked, and the term hack, which I come to recently know, it means that the watches stop. So now I'm going to put it at 11:27, and while doing so I'm also charging my beautiful watch. So it's 11:27, around here. Boom. If you want to turn this a little bit, you can hear it. Let me put it straight into my microphone here. You will notice that it's doing a little bit of a sound. This is telling you that it's charging, and you're topping up the juice on this beautiful battery. So here we go. We've got about 45 hours of time until it runs out and it needs rewinding again. Obviously the back is quite elegant as well. Not as elegant as some of the watches that you might see from more premium models. They haven't spent too much time making it look nice, but it does look okay. Nothing to see here apart from the mechanism. It's not a beauty. You wouldn't show this to people. You wouldn't say, oh, look at that. Definitely not much jewels going on here, but the leather seems medium. However, it does have this retro styling or vintage styling. You'd think that this came straight from your grandfather, who died in World War II fighting for his country, or your country now. So here it is, guys. Beautiful watch, so beautiful to wear, and it does feel premium. You just look at it, and if you're in a business meeting, you're a night out, you're going for a dinner party, you put that on, immediate success with all the gentlemen and the ladies that are with you. This shows class. I think this is one of the best premium watches you can find. Oh, not exactly this model, any model on this series, the Bambinos and these type ones, and is just lovely. So beautiful, so elegant. and so just not too much. It's just right, you know, it's not too much. You just sit there, you order your cup of whatever you want to drink. Oh, can I have one glass please? Yes, one glass please. And people are looking at you so happy with your achievements in life. You just look like a successful person. Thank you very much for watching this. Obviously I'm not going to do a lot of measurements. Some people do measurements. The measurements are all online, you can just find them. I'm just doing a quick review on how this watch looks and feels, and I can tell you, if you're thinking of buying this watch and you are 60% sure, then I think go for it, because the 40% are immediately going to be fulfilled once you open that beautiful presentation box. You're gonna get 100% satisfaction from this watch. There is nothing I could have done differently. Everything is exactly as I liked. Everything is so premium, everything is so beautiful. You got this Orient logo, which is just classy. I think go for this watch. Buy it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.